Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID account name on your Apple device. So guys, if you want to change Apple ID account name on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply go back to your home screen and then open settings on your device, and from here go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to go to your profile from here, and from here you have to simply go to personal information, and from here you have to simply tap on name. From here simply tap on this, and here you will get the option to change your account name. So guys, here you can see this. You can add your first name here, you can add your middle name here, and you can enter your last name from here. Simply tap on this, and from here you can easily change the name of your Apple account from here. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily change your name from here, and in this way you can also change your Apple ID account name on your Apple device very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.